Hello, hello, another trip today. The place is called Purple Woods, and I've been here last summer. I'm gonna leave a link in the description with my previous outing in the summer. This place is known in this area for the Maple Syrup Festival. These woods in behind me, they have a system where they collect the sap from the maple trees, and they all go to a central location where it's boiled, and they obtain the Canadian famous maple syrup. And it was cancelled for the last few years, this festival, and I came here because of COVID, and I came here to check it out, see if they're open. They are not open yet. I'm here like beside a typical Canadian barn. It's fairly modern, new built, but it's built in the same fashion like the traditional barns used to be. Very nice, made out of wood. And yeah, I'm gonna walk through the forest and see all the systems that they installed here to collect the sap. And the place is really beautiful, so come with me. It got warm over the last couple of days. It's +6 outside, 6, 8 outside. The snow starts melting, and this would be the time when the trees are gonna start producing the sap. After cold winter nights and days, the trees are kind of awoken, and they start producing the sap. You can see here this system of collecting sap, that it's in place. They didn't tap the trees yet, but that's gonna be, I think, the next step in a few weeks or so. This is how it's done. They have this little spout, and what they do, they drill a tap in the tree like this, like these ones from previous years. See how the tree healed, and everything flows by gravity all the way down to the sugar shack. I can see a little bit of sap trapped here. You can see the system here in the forest. It's all flowing down by gravity. All this collection system comes from all these maple trees, and they're gonna converge to a central location downhill. So you see here all these tubes bringing the sap in to this central location. You see the wood that is used to boil that sap down to the viscosity of the Canadian maple. That's the big furnace that they use to process the sap. And you see this is the central location. Everything comes in. Again, unfortunately, everything is locked down because of COVID, and not much to see. That's the sugar shack where they are processing the maple syrup. That's a souvenir shop with a little rest area, you know, covered, so you can, you know, just see there if it's raining or sunny or whatever the case may be. They have another souvenir shop, public washrooms, this beautiful cabin, small cabin built in a traditional way, and yeah, another big area with camping tables. This is a traditional emergency shelter. You see they had the structure made out of wood branches, and then it's all built up with spruce like this. Of course, it would be well insulated around, and the front would be covered with the animal skin, so it's quite insulated. Looks like a teepee. So this is it for today. A really short walk, but it was interesting to see all these systems of collecting the maple sap. Thank you for watching, and until next time I will say, don't forget to take a hike and be well. Gelone out.